Hey, welcome to Titan Reviews. Do you struggle with increasing your website traffic, your video views, and sales? If you encounter one of these problems, then you should totally watch this video to the end because we are going to be reviewing Done For You Suite 4.0 that allows you to get free targeted buyer traffic in 48 hours or less with a social syndication system. We'll also be looking at how Done For You Suite 4.0 works and what exclusive bonuses you'll be getting as a member. We'll also be checking some of the reasons why you should get Done For You Suite 4.0. And lastly, we'll be seeing some of the benefits you'll be getting during this launch period and how you can access the discounted price for Done For You Suite 4.0. So without wasting any of our time, what exactly is Done For You Suite 4.0? This is a brand new platform that allows you to get high quality content syndication for your videos or niche sites without having to do any of the work yourselves, and no previous SEO skills or experience are required. You can do this as a complete beginner or newbie and still get results following their 3-step system. With Done For You Suite 4.0, you'll be able to rank your videos on page 1, do some launch hacking for quick cash, rank your niche sites, rank your e-commerce site on page 1, and so on ranking methods. And you can get access to the discounted price by joining the live demonstration, which will be coming up on the 18th of May, where you'll be seeing Joshua Zamora himself make use of Done For You Suite 4.0, showing you how you can harness the power of Done For You Suite 4.0 and how you can rank your videos, get your content out to more people out there. So you can get access to that in the link in the description I've provided down below. So moving forward, how does Done For You Suite 4.0 work? It follows 3 simple steps, and I'll be explaining deeply how everything works in a very brief way. So the first step is straightforward. You just need to log in, and after successful login, you will see your dashboard. When the dashboard is open, you will see a campaign button. You click on it and it is present at the top right corner. All these things are shown in the demo video, so if you want to get access to that, so there will also be a link in the description for that. So after clicking on the create campaign button, you then add relevant keywords and URL. Those are the 2 things you need: relevant keyword and your website URL for it to actually rank. And all you have to do is wait for Done For You Suite to automatically generate content for you, and it does this in 2 ways. That is by scraping for campaign keywords and by creating niche content using AI. So after that, all you need to do is hit submit and you are all set to rank your content, to rank your videos, to rank your website on Google and so on. And from there, the system will get to work and build you hundreds of high quality syndication links to your content. And one best thing about Done For You Suite 4.0 is that it is cloud based. You don't have to install any software, no software training to learn, no social account creation needed. All you need is your keywords and your URL to get it all started up and to get high quality content for you to rank on the first page of Google and YouTube. So looking at the wonderful amazing bonuses you'll be getting from Done For You Suite, being one of the exclusive members of Done For You Suite 4.0. So first bonus is the agency right to Done For You Suite. Second bonus is sub syndicator feature 3 licenses. Bonus 3 is automatic Done For You video embeds for even faster video rankings. Bonus 4 is keyword bootcamp training. Bonus 5, live client attraction bonus training. Bonus 6, perfect optimization blueprint. And lastly, bonus 7, free access to spin rewriter 12 for a full 5 days. So these are the amazing bonuses you'll be getting as being a member of Done For You Suite 4.0. And of course, it comes in a 100% risk-free guarantee. so you can have full confidence in joining Done For You suit today. So now we've seen some of the bonuses you'll be getting from Done For You suit. Let us see some of the added upgrades they've added in this 4.0 launch. The first feature is in this new version 4.0, you now have 6 times the number of sites in their network, 6 times the authority, 6 times the ranking power. They've added 200 new high authority domains to their network exclusively for version 4.0. A Done For You Google Maps embedding for boosting your local rankings. Done For You Google My Business citation to skyrocket your local rankings even more. An huge update to their AI content generation system that is powered by real artificial intelligence, so you can get more relevancy for each of the campaigns you get it, so that you can get even more ranking power. And also a Done For You Twitch embed to get even more video traffic and rankings. And finally, they brought back the access to the automatic Done For You YouTube video embed feature for even faster videos ranking right from their 2.0 launch, which you can't get outside of their launch specials, meaning you have to take action now to be able to access this particular upgrade. So you can get all these amazing bonuses for a discounted price if you join the live demo session, which will be coming up on the 18th of May. So they'll be in the link of the description to get access to that right now. So you've seen some of the features and some of the upgrades. Why exactly should you buy Done For You Suite 4.0 now? One thing I really noticed is how it eliminates the struggles of marketers getting through that traffic, getting you to rank on various websites, getting you to make sales are one of the struggles of marketers. And with Done For You Suite 4.0, you'll be able to eliminate that. Another reason it is fairly efficient. With Done For You Suite 4.0, you can get massive flows of traffic and sales nearly instantly. As it promises here, you can get traffic in less than 48 hours. And you can apply the software to almost every kind of post, from link blogs to social posts to videos. Another reason why you should get Done For You Suite 4.0 is how it ranks your videos. With Done For You Suite 4.0, you'll be able to automatically get backlinks and video embeds, leading you to getting more video views on YouTube, leading you to get more sales and getting your content seen out, getting more people to see your content. Another reason is how it automates content marketing. It is not only for getting page 1 ranking, but you can also use Done For You Suite 4.0 to ensure content get posted on all your profiles, making your work really more easier and increasing your revenue. So I believe you know how Done For You Suite 4.0 works and why you should actually get it now, and why you should also take action now, so that you can join the live demo session and secure your discount in getting this wonderful product. So if you have more questions concerning the launch or concerning the product, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.